Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Yes, I have this axe because I have to take that down right there. Well, it's easier said than done. Not a lot of chips there, but not even half done. Whew. Well, I haven't finished cutting the tree, but it started to rain and I'm soaked. So I'm gonna continue this maybe probably tomorrow. I'll just, I don't know, feed my babies today. So
we were riding down the hill. Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all. I don't mind if you don't love me anymore.
well, it's raining, and the only thing I'm gonna do get soaked in the rain because I love the rain. I'm outside. This is gonna be fun. So that's it. That's the end of the rain. It's really refreshing. Bleh. It's really refreshing. And now I'm really soaked. And I'm gonna go back inside. Still got laundry to take care of. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a bath and then, you know. Okay, after laundry, now I'm gonna do a little bit of exercise, push-ups and sit-ups, squats, and a little weapon training. So So, did a little workout after I did the laundry. So, I guess that's it for the vlog. And with that, I'll see you on the next one. Hey, why are you there, baby girl? What are you doing? Come here.